Hello, welcome. Bitcoin weekly card show bear market likely to worsen or does it? There might be more ahead for Bitcoin BTC. That is the message from a week by week outline force pointer. Wise is going to strike the principal negative sign in north of 3 years. Bitcoin week strike forward, moving normal is moving south and looks too deep under the wick in possible days, affirming the supposed negative hybrid. The first signs February 29,000. While in principle the negative cross was suggestive of negative force, the pointer has an ideal record of catching merchant on some side of the market, like the negative hybrid affirmed on the 3-day outline the month before. Negative hybrid that April and February, and the up-buying market does that. Advise you to wager against the group. It is not yet clear assumption forthcoming hybrid I'm priced to selling per Delphi Digital. The cryptographic money cloud reach as far down as possible in November. From the past 2 cycle, BTC reached as far down as possible, and weeks following is cycle top. In light of this history, recommended base at some point around the finish of November 2022 and another cycle top in August. Delphi Digital Andrew Cronworth in a everyday update snippet of client. Past actions is no of future outcome. The more this as the digital money has become delicate to large-scale factor like national bank arrangement and customary market feeling throughout the course of recent years. Thank you.